Hello and welcome to Browsify. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a blog page on Shopify. A blog page is a great way to engage with your customers and share updates, promotions, or any other content you want. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account. On the left-hand menu, click on Content and then select Blog Posts. This will take you to the section where you manage all your blog posts. Next, click on Manage Blogs. Here you'll be able to see all your existing blogs and create new ones. Now click on Add Blog. This will open a new screen where you can create a new blog. Here, enter the title of your blog. For example, I'll name my blog Ever After Gifts. Once you've entered the title, click Save to create the blog. Next, let's edit an existing blog post. Under the blog dropdown, I will change the blog from my previous one to Ever After Gifts, which I just created. After that, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a new blog page and assigned a blog post to it. Now, visitors to your store can easily access and read your blog content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Also, share this video with others who might find it useful. Hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content.